Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Monzo to another account. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open Monzo application on your phone, and once you get to this page in the home section, you will find these two options, pay and request, but you will have to be in this section, payments. So what you should do is to simply click on pay, and here you will have two options, the bank transfer option or payment using a link. Now let's start with the bank. It will ask you first to enter the amount of money, then you will have to click on next, and once you click on next, they will ask you to enter your personal account code PIN, and this is how simple it is. You should just choose the person that you want to send to or the account that you want to send to, enter your PIN, and that is it. And now let's say that you want to pay using a link. You should click on pay, then choose pay with a link, and after that you will have to enter the amount of money like so. And after that, it will show you this page. Now you have to click on share payment link and share this link to someone that you want to pay. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.